and the masters of the universe. I am Adam, Prince of Eternia and defender of the secrets of Castle Grayskull. This is Cringer, my fearless friend. Fabulous secret powers were revealed to me the day I held aloft my magic sword and said, "By the power of Grayskull!" Cringer became the mighty Battle Cat, and I became He-Man, the most powerful man in the universe. Only 3 others share this secret. Our friends, the Sorceress, Man-at-Arms, and Orko. Together, we defend Castle Grayskull from the evil forces of Skeletor. Is this what we've been looking for, Malakfa?
We'll know for sure once we clear those vines away.
Why, it looks like a cat.
The Temple of the Cat, to be precise. And that means those ancient books were correct. There was a race of cat folk living in this jungle.
But what happened to them?
No one really knows. But perhaps we can learn something more by exploring this temple.
Well, there must be a way in.
I believe this should do it. Shall I lead the way?
Well, you are the royal archaeologist.
Fascinating. These carvings show that the catfolk had a high degree of intelligence and artistic ability.
Malakfa, hold on, I'll get a rope. No time for a rope now. By the power of Grayskull!
How do you feel, old friend?
He-Man, where's the prince?
He's safe, but I'm more concerned about you.
I'm all right. No bones broken. I'm just a little sore.
Well, I think you should take it easy for a while.
But the temple, I must find out what's inside. Oh.
You're in no shape to go exploring right now. I'll check the temple out for you.
Thank you, He-Man, but be careful. Chances are there are more traps.
I'll keep my eyes open. Someone sure doesn't know how to treat guests around here. This looks inviting. Maybe too inviting. A magical trap. Well, if I can't go through, I'll just have to go under. The looks of this. Aren't you being a bit too playful? Wouldn't you rather talk this over, big fella? Now, where did you go this time? By the ancients! That magical trap turned the monster back into a statue.
Malactha, look what He-Man found in the temple.
A magnificent piece. Did he have much trouble finding it?
Well, it was pretty well guarded.
I must thank him.
Well, he's already gone.
Well, I'll just have to thank him another time, then. Right now, I believe we should take this back to the royal palace, where I can study it further.
I must tell King Pa. King Pa! King Pa! My king, the Grimalkin statue, it's been taken. What? Two humans found the way into the temple. They took the statue and left with it. Go tell Katrina to come to my chamber at once. I must know more. Where is that she-cat? She's never around when you need her. No, she doesn't get here soon.
Your Majesty?
Well, Brother Whiskers, a sans girl, when will you learn to enter my chamber in a normal fashion?
Normal, so boring. That was much more fun.
Oh, I didn't call you here for fun. The Grimalkin statue's been taken from the temple. And you must get it back.
The Grimalkin?
That's the goofiest looking cat I've ever seen.
I don't like it. It's too scary.
Ah, Cringer, you think everything's too scary.
Well, only because everything usually is.
Cringer may be right about the statue. It might very well have some evil power about it.
Evil power? Oh, Adam, why don't we take a vacation for a while? Someplace far away from here.
Don't worry, Cringer. My magic will protect you.
Now I'm really scared.
Well, I think we should all get some rest.
Good idea.
If that statue does have some evil power, it should belong to me. Webster! Webster, where are you?
I'm right here, Boney.
I have a little job for you, Bugface. Pay attention.
No guards. Perfect.
The vault alarm! Someone's breaking in! Hold it right there! What in the world?
You've got to be quick to bag a cat. Is that so? Pretty nice move. You're almost as good as I am. But I'm afraid I can't let you stop me.
Just what I've been looking for.
Stop!
What? What's happening?
There's a thief in the tower vault.
Cringer, wake up.
Is it morning already?
No, I'm afraid we've got work to do, old buddy.
Oh, no. Anything but that.
Time for me to go.
He-Man, look! A thief!
We'll need the Talon fighter to follow him.
What happened? He got away with the statue. Oh, no. Oh, we must get it back. If he frees the Grimalkin, we're all doomed.
Who are you, thief?
The name's Katrina, but you're the thief, King Randor.
What?
Your people stole the Grimalkin from our temple. I was only trying to get it back.
You could have asked for it.
You didn't bother asking us.
Your Majesty, this is getting us nowhere. The statue's gone, and if what this woman says is true, we may all be in great danger.
How do I know you're telling the truth?
I can vouch for her story, sire. I was doing some research and came across a passage referring to this Grimalkin. And from what the passage said, it could easily destroy us all.
Wow, we better do something.
I'm afraid there's nothing we can do until we locate the thief.
Well, unless I miss my guess, he's headed for Snake Mountain. Looks like our old friend Skeletor is behind this. I better contact the palace and let them know what's happening.
Calm down, Katrina. I've got the guards searching everywhere for that thief. We'll find him.
Oh, I hate waiting. I'm not the patient type.
I never would have guessed. There's a message coming in now. He-Man!
Tila, I'm tracking the thief who stole that statue. He's taking it to Snake Mountain.
Snake Mountain? Oh, no! Skeletor mustn't get it. That statue contains a terrible demon.
Demon?
It's called the Grimalkin. And if Skeletor should release it...
I'll just have to see that he doesn't. You sit tight, I'll get back to you.
Well, looks like we'll have to wait a bit longer.
I'm tired of waiting. I'm going to Snake Mountain and do the job I was sent to do.
Hold on, Katrina. You're not going anywhere. At least not without me.
Perfect.
I must figure out what this statue's power is. The alarm!
Keep your eyes open, Cat.
Greetings, He-Man.
We've come for the statue, Skeletor.
Well, you won't get it, you muscle-bound buffoon. My illusion has trapped your friend, He-Man.
Where are you, bonehead?
Right here, fool. And this time, I'm no illusion. My stun beam will take care of you.
Ah, we did it. We beat He-Man.
You mean I did it, Bugface? Now take him below and put him in the force field cage.
Snake Mountain is just ahead of us.
Good. I'm itching for some action.
Oh, Skeletor, there's a Wind Raider approaching.
Use the nullifier ray to shut down its engines, Spider-Brain, and capture them when they land.
Our engine's lost its power. We just have to glide in. Tila! Oh, no. She's been knocked out. And I can't fly this thing.
Well, my friend, it looks as if I do this alone. Well, hello, big boy.
Who are you?
The name's Katrina. I'm here to help out He-Man.
You are on his side, I hope.
He-Man! I've got to find him!
Hey, wait for me. Handsome.
You!
You go find your friend, big boy. This thief is mine.
You'll be sorry for this, Furball.
Furball? Way too slow, spider breath.
Where are you?
Perfect.
Reveal your power. I, Skeletor, command you.
Skeletor, stop! You don't know what you're doing. There's a terrible demon bound in that statue.
You can't fool me with a tale like that, He-Man. What?
Good work, Cat.
No, it can't be. Stop! Get back! What are you doing? You must obey me! You must! No! I must escape!
That thing's going to bring the whole ceiling down. Let's move!
Oh, Cat.
Tila,
He-Man, what's happening?
Skeletor's freed the Grimalkin, but it seems to have buried itself in Snake Mountain.
It won't stay buried long.
What does it take to stop that thing?
Your people stopped it once. How did they do it? According to our legends, only the power of the storm can bind the Grimalkin.
The power of the storm. That gives me an idea. Cat, you distract that demon. Tila, you come with me.
I'll help you, big boy.
This salt deposit is just what we need. Tila, use your freeze ray on it.
What are you trying to do?
Start a storm. You see, when salt particles are put into moisture-laden clouds, rain is produced. Then I'll just have to use another power of the storm.
He-Man, are you all right?
Let's just say I wouldn't want to make a habit of that. Did it work?
Just look.
So He-Man found the secret of stopping the demon.
Without Katrina, he never would have known what to do.
I must say I was surprised to learn you cat folk still existed. And I'm sorry for breaking into your temple.
Oh, in a way, it's our fault. If we hadn't been so mistrustful of your race, we could have warned you of the danger.
Well, I hope in the future your people and ours can be friends.
I'm sure of it. And now I must get back. I'll give you a lift, if you don't mind. I'd love it.
Come and see us again soon, Katrina.
Oh, I will. I've got an itch to see that handsome fellow again. Oh. You mean He-Man?
Oh, no. I mean Battle Cat.
Gee, Cringe, looks as if Battle Cat's got himself an admirer.
In today's story, I made the mistake of not trusting the people of Eternia just because they were different.
You can't judge a book by its cover means you can't tell from the outside what something is like on the inside. And that goes for books as well as people. Not liking a person because he or she is a different race or religion is wrong. People should be judged for themselves. Right, Katrina?
Right you are, Adam. Right you are.
So long.